Seafood James coming at you with a quick joint lock. This joint lock is for a midsection strike. When someone strikes at your midsection, either it's a punch or a stab. See, back in traditional Chinese days, the armor, they had these breastplates right here because this is a known target back in the days to get stabbed or struck right here. So they had plates to guard against that if you look at the old time armor. So for a Wing Chun practitioner, the way you want to deal with that, I'm gonna show you one way with this joint lock. So as he punches, low bong, fook, grab, this hand comes here into the lock. So again, he punched, low bong, grab. If he fights this, I'm gonna hit him there in his solar plexus, which loosens him up to enable me to get this lock. So once again, bong, grab, pop him in the solar plexus. This hand comes here and cuts down, which enacts the joint lock. Another way that can be done from same thing. Pop under, straight to the lock. From here, I can go here to this lock, spin him around, take him down to the ground. So that is another easy joint lock that you can learn from a Wing Chun practitioner or standpoint from using the low bong. So punch, shi, bong, fook, pop, lock. Pop, lock, and drop. And there you have it. Check out the rest of these joint locks here. If you want to learn where to start your journey in Wing Chun, then check out this video here. And I'll catch you next time in the joint lock series.